Hello guys, so I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to talk about another very important application which will help you, guide you and assist you in writing different prompts in the ChatGPT, and that extension in the Chrome is called ARPRM. Okay, so let me write the ARPRM here. So ARPRM, okay, so here you can see that it is written here that ARPRM for ChatGPT, and I will show you all the applications which it can offer you and all the things which you can do by using this ARPRM. Because if you are writing a blog, if you are creating any video, or if you are creating any informative stuff, what it need is the keywords, because once it will target certain keywords which are more searchable, you will get more audience, and on the basis of it you will generate more revenue. Okay, so here we have ARPRM for ChatGPT, and that is the Google extension. So let me click over it, and you will see that I will be here in this Chrome Web Store. You can basically install it from here, as I have already installed it, so you can see that it is already available. So ARPRM for ChatGPT, you can see that this is the productivity application, and you can also watch this video as well. After it, you can also see that there are many application of it in different areas, and you can just select and write all what you need. Okay, because prompt engineering is also one of the very important areas in getting the information from ChatGPT, because it can offer you extensive knowledge once you know how to write and how to get that information. Okay, so you can see all about it here, and once you will install it, you can see the extension over here, and that is the Open ChatGPT. Okay, so once you will open ChatGPT, so let me open it here, and once it will be opened, okay, so this is a ChatGPT. This is the conventional view the ChatGPT offer, and once the ARPRM is installed, it will ask you to connect with the ARPRM. So if you want to continue, just continue here, and you will see that here in this extension bar will appear you have already connected with the ARPRM with your Gmail account. So let me move here, and you will see different applications which it can offer you. Okay, so it can give you human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, fully SEO optimized article including FAQs, keyword strategy. Okay, their outrank articles, e-commerce and so on. Okay, also you can see that here the application which is targeting YouTube SEO, title description with tag generator, and there are plenty of other options as well. You just search it and you will see that there are plenty of options. You can see here that there is a next button here, and you can search all the things which are appeared here. Okay, so ChatGPT currently is using GPT 3.5. so if you want to use GPT 4, what you have to do, you have to buy the premium version. Okay, so after it, what you have to do, you have to select that in which language you have to get the output. So here you can have different languages, so I am selecting here English. And what should be the tone, here you have to upgrade for more, but here I am using this default tone, which is the emotional. And writing styles, there are different writing styles, friendly, poetic and so on, which are available in the upgraded or the paid version. So I am using here the default version. What I have to do, let me use this write best article with one keyword, or YouTube tag generator with keyword. So let me click over it, and after clicking over it, you will see that it will appear here, and this is the author, and give me your YouTube title name. So let me give it the title name, and that is finding mean and median of a data. And after writing it, you can just click over send message, and you will see that it will try writing all the things, and you will see that here this ARPRM logo will also appear. So you can just click over it as well, and it will give you all the things which you need. So these are all the titles Okay, so you can get any one of them, and after getting them you can find out that which is feasible for you. So let me find out the first 5. I have to copy them, and after it what I have to do, I have to go to the Google keyword planner. Okay, and just clicking over it you will see that a clip planner will appear. This is one of the very important tool which you can use here. So after signing it, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so here what you can do, you can click over this discover new keywords. Okay, and after it you can click over it and you can paste all the keywords which are available, and then you have to get the results. Okay, so after getting the results, it will show you the competition and values of all the keywords which are available. So data analysis, mean and median, statistical mean, finding mean, and so on. You can see that here this data analysis which is here, which has average monthly searches of 1k to 10k plus 900% 3-month change, and also competition is very low. And similarly you can see that the value it offers is 17.5. this is the top of page bid, and the top of page bid high range is 108.96. what are all these things I will talk about in later videos. So you have to target the title which has this data analysis. So let me go to it and I will see that whichever here the data analysis keyword. So I can see that this is the data analysis keyword. Okay, so by using this you can also find out other keywords as well. Similarly, if you want to find out more, you can get here and you can see that what are the other things like SEO. You want to do the SEO, you want to do the productivity, generative AI, DevOps, copywriting. Okay, these are the activities. The activities are keyword finding, outreach, sort by, top words trending, top usage. Okay, model, what model do you want to use, these are the models, and what prompts do you want to see in a single page, and this is all about the PRM ChatGPT. Okay, so in this video what we have covered the air PRM prompt generator, also the Google keyword planner, and how to get the high search keywords for your blogs or for your YouTube videos. So I hope all the steps are understandable, and I will talk about more of search AI features and AI applications in our upcoming video, which will be beneficial for you if you are a student, if you are a professional YouTuber or blogger. So I will talk about more in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself.